Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will talk about the history of Microsoft Access. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Microsoft Access is one of the most commonly used database application in the world. It is a part of Microsoft Office. Actually, guys, all version of Microsoft Office, there is a Microsoft Access integrated to it. And Microsoft Access is very easy, no, for non-programmers to create a database application without any deep knowledge in computer programming and database concept. So we will talk about for its history. So question is, what is Microsoft Access? Microsoft Access is a relational database management system or RDBMS that has a rich history dating back to the late 1980s. Here's a brief overview of the history of Microsoft Access. Number 1, Jet Engine 1980s. The foundation of Microsoft Access can be traced back to the development of Jet database engine in the late 1980s. This engine was initially part of the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Number 2, Access 1.0 1992. The first version of Microsoft Access 1.0 was released in November 1992 as part of the Microsoft Office suite. It was designed to be user-friendly database management system with a graphical user interface or GUI. Number 3, Access 2.0 1993. Access 2.0 was released in 1993, introducing new features such as support for Visual Basic for Applications or VBA and the ability to create Access project files, which could be used to connect to Microsoft SQL Server databases. Number 4, Access 95, 1995. Access 95 released in 1995 was a significant update that included improvements in form and report design support for ActiveX controls and the ability to create and use stored procedures with Access projects. Number 5, Access 97, 1997. Access 97 release in 1997 continued to build on the improvements introduced in Access 95. It featured enhanced wizards for creating forms and reports as well as better integration with Microsoft Office suite. Number 6, Access 2000, 1999. Access 2000 release in 1999 brought about a more robust data access page designer support for Microsoft SQL Server 7.0 and improvement integration with the web. Number 7, Access XP 2001. With the release of Access XP version 2002, Microsoft introduced the XPA branding to align with other Office applications. This version focused on improved data analysis and reporting capabilities. Number 8, Access 2003 to 2003. Access 2003 released in 2003 featured enhanced security features and improved integration with SharePoint. It was the last version to support Access 1997 file format. Number 9, Access 2007-2007. Access 2007 introduced a new file format and a redesigned user interface known as the Ribbon. This version also included improvements in data macros, user interface elements, and database templates. Number 10, Access 2010. 2010 Access 2010 continued the Ribbon interface and introduced enhancements such as navigation form and the ability to create web databases that could be published to SharePoint. Number 11, Access 2013. 2013 Access 2013 focused on web app development and cloud integration. It allowed users to create access web apps that could be deployed to SharePoint and access through a web browser. Number 12, Access 2016-2015. Access 2016 maintained the improvements made in Access 2013 with a continued emphasis on web app development and integration with Office 365. Number 13, Access 2019-2018. Access 2019 released in 2018 was the most recent standalone version as of my knowledge to cut off in January 2022 and include various improvement updates to user interface and utilities. It is important to note that with the advent of cloud computing in Microsoft 365 subscription model, the focus on web-based applications and integration with SharePoint and other cloud services has become increasingly prominent in recent versions of Access. Users now have the option to create and deploy web databases, collaborate online, and integrate their databases with other Microsoft 365 applications. Okay, guys, so this is the end of my report on the history of Microsoft Access. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel, guys, if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial, guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye-bye for now.